bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? So we're going to be making a really fun tag for the Halloween series. I'm going to show you guys how to make these adorable, very simple and easy tags that you can add to maybe like a happy mail or like a goodie bag. It's just so fun to make, and I love making tags. I used googly eyes that have lashes, which are so much fun. And I don't know, can you see there how cool it looks? The googly eyes, it's so cute. I got these googly eyes at I think it was Target, but I know that the Dollar Tree also sells them as well. So let me show you how to create these fun tags. Very easy. The paper that I am using is from this paper pad. I love this paper pad. I had it for a few years. I'm trying to make like these papers like last me forever, but I really do love the papers in here. They're so sparkly. They're so much fun to use. They're really fun. I really like them. This paper pad is from My Mind Eyes. It's called Halloween Scary Sparkles, and it's just really fun. I love it. So yeah, so the paper that we're going to use is going to be this one that says Halloween on it. You see, it says Halloween, Happy Halloween all over. It's a really nice paper to use for tags. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so all right, let me bring you up close to me. Okay, so let's get started with this awesome tutorial. So again, you're going to use some papers. It doesn't have to be this paper. You can use whatever paper you want. Hold on, I may have put you too close because you can't really see. Okay, so use any papers that you want to use to create your tags. Again, I do things simple and easy. I have a template here that I like to guide myself. I don't go crazy. All I do is just put my template against my paper, cut it out, boom, I got my tag. So here I have one made already, and I'm going to create another one so that you can see how simple this is. Very, very simple. Just get your template and just trace your template against your paper. And basically just cut out your tag. That's it. That's all there is to it. Punch a little hole in the center so that you can hang your thread or lace or twine or whatever it is that you're working with. And that's basically how you create your tag. That's it. That's all you do. Okay? So here we have two tags. I'm going to use Cupcake Liners. You guys know how I'm obsessed with Cupcake Liners. It's always one of those things that you always kind of make your project look nice, and it's very simple, very affordable, and I like using it because it just gives a lot of like life to your projects, right? So what I do with my Cupcake Liners, which is what I do with all my Cupcake Liners, is I fold it in half, I squish it in the middle, and then I kind of try to create myself a nice little, kind of like a rosette or like a nice little flower kind of looking shape. And then you can make it as small as you want, or you can make it as big as you want, okay? So that's one, and then here's another one. And then what I'll do is I'll use my hot glue to kind of adhere my cupcake to my tag. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to use my hot glue that I have here. A little bit of hot glue on the back of my cupcake liner. And I'm going to add this roughly right around here. Just eyeball it wherever you want to add it. You don't have to add it on this section. You can add it on the right hand side. You can add it on the left hand side. Whatever side you like the most. Doesn't really matter. Or you can add it to the center. You can add it to the middle. You can add it to the top. It's up to you. It really is up to you. It's your project. So you make it however you want it to look. Okay? So that's what I did here. And now my cupcake is kind of adhered down to my tag. Okay? That's perfect. That's done. We don't have to worry about that part. Now, how I decorated these tags is a very, very smart way of using these amazing, beautiful ribbons that Michael sells. I bought this ribbon at Michael's a few days ago. And I love it because I just love this like really awesome skeleton. I was trying to find ways of using this. Again, I know you can use this in like wreaths and other projects, but I am so strongly against it because I just love to see the actual image. I don't like covering up the image. And so what I did was I basically just cut out two of these little skeletons, and what I did was I just basically traced around the skeleton to kind of do like a little cutout, right, of the skeleton. I just basically went around. Guys, don't go crazy, just go around your image. You don't have to do this in a very, you know, neat way. Just go around your image, very simple and easy. Remember, it's a Halloween project. If it looks a little bit kooky, hey, it works because it's Halloween. Halloween is a kooky, you know, a kooky and a crazy day. So don't worry about it looking perfect. As you can see here, mine does not look perfect at all, but it works. It really works. I think that the more like crazy it looks, the more original it kind of looks. So I don't go out looking to make my die cuts look, you know, perfect. I don't do that. So just go around your image, and it doesn't have to be this one. Michael's has awesome other ribbons that have other designs on it. I did see a witch, I think it was a witch legs. They have tons of awesome, really nice images. So make sure you stop by and pick them out. And there you go. So here I have two of these images that I just trimmed out. Very simple. You saw how easy that was. I didn't think about it. I just went around my image. Boom, I did it. That's it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue down my image into the center of my little cupcake liner. Just like that. And I'm going to glue this one down. Just like that. Make sure you clean out all these little strings of glue. And that's basically what we have going on here. Now, the googly eyes, again, I bought these at, I believe it was Target that I got these specific ones. But again, I also did pick up some of them that I bought at the Dollar Tree. So just keep an eye on these really awesome little googly eyes. They look so cute. I love that they have lashes. Here, let me show you up close. You see, if you can, ooh, I dropped one. If you can see, they have like little lashes and they kind of look very flirtatious. I just love them. I thought they were so cute. I really love these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue some googly eyes to my skeleton just to make him look very flirtatious and very cute looking. So I'm going to do this one and I'm going to glue this down. There you go. And then I'm going to do this one. And it just looks so cute. I love it. I love these googly eyes. So cute. Perfect. See that? And it looks so adorable. I don't know if you guys can see up close how cute that looks. I love it. Okay. Basically, that's all we gotta do. So the next thing that I did was I added some witch hat to my little skeleton. I got these like felt witch hat stickers from the Dollar Tree. They do have them this year. I bought this last year, but I was at the Dollar Tree recently and I did see them. So they did come back again this year. So what I do is I just kind of basically kind of like rip a little half of this backing to the sticker, because I'm not going to really stick on this part of the hat. I'm only going to stick down this part of the hat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some hot glue just to make sure that my hat does not go anywhere, and I'm going to basically add it to my little skeleton just like this. You see that? Kind of tilted a little bit. It looks super cute and super adorable. I'm going to do the same thing for this one. And we're almost done with our project. We just got to add a few more little things to our adorable little tag, and then we're almost done. So now that we have a little hat all attached to our little adorable embellishment, the only thing that I did with the hat was I added some pom-poms to the top, and I also added some of these adorable little bows that I made out of some twine. So let's do that. Let's add some pom-poms right in the tip of the hat. And I'm going to add a pom-pom to this one. Okay, and there goes our pom-pom. And then I'm going to add my little bow right at the above the pom-pom, just right on that area like that. Okay, a little bit of hot glue on the back of my bow, and boom, there you have it. That looks so cute. I love having these bows ready. So my advice is, if you have time while you're watching TV or something, make some of these bows in advance, so when you're ready to work with them, you don't have to like spend some time making them. You already have them ready for you to work with. I like to do that. That helps a lot to save time. Perfect. That is absolutely adorable. I love it. The only thing that I did with these is I kind of added a piece of this magnificent, beautiful tool that I got at the Dollar Tree. You guys remember that I talked about this on my last video. I was super against trying to use it because I said to myself, oh my god, these are beautiful, and that I didn't think that the Dollar Tree would come back with these. And guess what? They did. The Dollar Tree has these, so I purchased a few more. So I'm okay now to use some of these beautiful, gorgeous tool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a little piece off. I'm basically going to be folding this piece in half. What I like to do is I like to do a knot in the middle, and I don't know why, but I like to do a knot in the middle, and then I like to fold it where that knot is, and then I use that knot to add hot glue and attach it to my embellishment. I feel that kind of holds this tool together, and it gives it a lot of stability, and it doesn't move anywhere. So that's what I like to do. You don't have to necessarily do this, but it works for me, and I kind of like that idea. So I just basically added this gorgeous little tool right in the little side of my little skeleton. It just looks super adorable. It looks super fun. It looks so cute. I just love it. You see how cute that looks? How fun does that look? Let's do the same thing with this one. And we are basically done, to be honest with you. Now, if you feel like your trim is out poking too much, like poking up too much, just add a little bit of glue on the back of your cupcake liner. Glue it down, and then kind of, you know, put it in place, and it will adhere down, and it will look better than what it did before. As you can see there, that looks much better than before. And that's basically it. So this one, I'm going to add another little piece of tulle, which I just cut out, and I don't know where it went. Where? Ah, here it is. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna make a knot in the center, and then I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to add some hot glue right where the knot is, and then I'm going to add it in the side of my embellishment. And guess what? We're basically done with this adorable little tag. How adorable this tag turned out. I love it. Oh my gosh, so cute. The only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add something to kind of give it, you know, that tag look, which is a string, so that we can hang the tag from it to whatever project that we are going to be working on. So if you want to add this to a like a goodie bag, you have something that you can attach it with, right? So I'm gonna add this to my tag, and that's just gonna complete the look. It looks super cute. I love it. I love it. And there you go. And that is how you complete and create this simple, adorable little, I mean, so cute tag. You see how easy that was? So cute, right? I love it. I love it. Look how adorable these are. I guess this one will be my favorite because it has pink lashes, right? Typical, right? Typical me. But look how cute these are. Aren't these adorable? They turned out so freaking cute. I love them. These are so cute. These will be adorable to hang to a goodie bag, or maybe gifted as a happy mail to someone. It's just really, really cute and fun. I hope you guys enjoy watching me make these tags. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about these tags. If you guys find ribbon like this at Michael's or similar to this, make sure you pick it up, okay? Because you can do so many things with these ribbons that have awesome images. It's incredible. So don't get discouraged if you see something like this and you don't know what to do with it. Now that I showed you a way to work around these ribbons, now you know one of the ways that you can actually do crafting with it, okay? So all right, my loves, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there, and I will see you soon, honey bunnies. Love you all. Bye.